Digital work instructions are indispensable for modern industry. To better guide the operators, those instructions should adjust based on the quality of the performed step. Flanders Make uses synthetic data to train cost-effective AI models to estimate the position and orientation of assembly parts. This allows us to monitor the progress in the assembly process and provide the user adaptive feedback on how to correctly assemble the complex parts. This not only avoids errors, but increases productivity, as well as supporting operators with details on the orientation of subparts. Here you can use an assembly station, complete with digital work instructions, augmented by a 2D camera and our AI model to see how it all comes together.